guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own loading screen overlay on CapCut PC. So I suggest putting a green screen so that it's easier to overlay it. I'm just going to select this and scale it up so that we just have this plain green screen, and then on this white stock video I'm just going to freeze frame it. Also going to delete that as well. And I will just go to mask and select rectangle to create the loading bar, I guess. And I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to select the rectangle and I'm going to invert that. And if you want your background to be in a different color, you can simply just add that first. But you gotta mask it so it only shows in the loading part here. So I'm just going to mask it. You can also crop it as well, but masking is just a lot easier. Then you're just going to get another color. I'm just going to use this darker pink for it. And I'm also going to just rotate that, and we're going to mask that. I'm trying to see where the white line is because I can't see very clearly. Once you're done, you're just going to right click that, create compound clip, and you're going to select the horizontal and you're going to bring it this way. And you're going to start here, add a keyframe, and then here you're going to place it here. And then here you're going to place it here. And we're going to just do that in sections every single time. Like that and like that. Actually, it doesn't really matter unless you want to freeze frame it, which does take longer. For instance here, you're going to want to freeze frame it, and then it'll go to the next clip, and then you're going to freeze frame that so it looks like it's in sections. I'm just going to do this for all of the keyframes that I have, and I'm going to actually delete that. And I'm going to place it here so it goes one by one. So it looks like this and then this, but maybe you want it to be a little bit shorter, I guess. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to, whoops, get this one and I'm going to make it smaller as well. Then I'm just going to freeze frame this part right here, delete this, and I'm going to place it, and then here again I'm going to freeze frame that. And lastly we have this part right here, which I will freeze frame like so, and just delete that. Actually I have it till the end because you'll need that bit. So it looks like this, but you can also do the other one. Then just go to text and add in your text and just type in the word loading. And you're going to just adjust the font if you want to or not. It's up to you, of course. I'll just use this normal font. And you can go to animation and try to find the flash one, I think. And you're just going to adjust the speed to the video. And that is it. You can overlay this on a video because you already have a green screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!